Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just following up with my E32 project. As of right now, the biggest changes I've done to it was adding new wheels and tires. As you can see from the previous video, we got some M parallel rims from my E38. The fronts have 235/40/18 tires on them. They're the staggered fit, so the back are wider. In the back I'm running 265/35/18s. And I think these are a good fit. Some people like them, some people don't. I think it gives it that OE look and appearance and pretty good stance. Very wide tires in the rear. You can see the footprint from behind. I think it's pretty good look for this car. Some other people like to put more aftermarket wheels. I like to go more OE looking. Also added some tinted windows, just 20% dark, not the limo, which is fine. I think it looks nice. Still see-through for legalities, and at night it's super dark. You can't even look and see inside at night. As far as engine work, so far I've put a new water pump that was leaking. I changed the hoses, this one from Gates, which I think has a pretty good connection here, pretty solid. And next on the list is the power steering. I don't know if you can see in the video, but the power steering hose is leaking. So I'm just gonna upgrade all the hoses and change the reservoir and basically upgrade the power steering system. Other than that, the car's running great. Haven't had any issues. I still have not gotten to the paint correction stage yet. That'll be towards the end, probably during spring. I'll give you one more walk around. And then I'll get back to my garage and start working on the power steering system that needs to be changed out. And that's it. So I'll see you back at the garage. Thank you.